The Coalition of Community Gardens started from a group of us who were very passionate about taking care of our communities. Actually, it started further back in the 1990s when in Tampa Heights we created a group of the residents to develop the first community plan in the city of Tampa. That took us a 4-year period of time, but during that time, the residents identified that they also wanted gardens inside of the Tampa Heights neighborhood. And that was the catalyst for us. While implementing that plan, we started with our garden in Tampa Heights. That grew way beyond to where we realized that other neighborhoods, other communities also wanted gardens. And we created the Coalition of Community Gardens. As we started to look at community gardens and our communities, our community at that time in Tampa Heights was predominantly a community of color. And in studying the impact that gardens could make in neighborhoods, we realized that in the communities of color, we actually carry the burden of at least 4 major diseases. That includes the asthma, diabetes, high blood pressure, heart diseases. And we had to broaden our perspective of community gardens and what they mean. And as we study more, we're learning about the impact of the air, water, and soil on our communities. We understand now that the pollutants that are in the air actually affects us as we breathe. We're understanding more that the bodies of water that collect the nutrients actually affect us much more than just the things that we could control. And we understand that the soil that we work with also affect us. So as we look at the bigger picture and try to learn how we get our communities healthier and how we get ourselves healthier,